This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the gold, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, if we look here on the daily, okay, you look to the bottom of this candle here is 2007. You look at the bottom of this candle here, 2005.7. This is a really nice double bottom as long as it holds, okay? So now what we want to do is we want to look at your key levels here. So you want to look at this 21 SMA sitting at 2017.20. Okay, if it can close above, then we want to look at our target here of 2031.30. That is your 8 SMA. Now, again, if it can close above that, then we start looking for all these levels right here. So you got 2037, okay, you got 2045, this candle here, 2047, and then we have 2056, okay. Now, the key is going to be this 8 SMA and a close over. That's the key, and what you need to do is hold this 21 SMA. If not, then we look back to retest this double bottom here candles, okay. Now, if we look here on the weekly chart, this is just popped right above here and it's been holding this 8-day. So this 8 SMA here is going to be very, very key support. This is sitting at 2010.70. That is going to be very key. Now, obviously, if it can keep holding, then we can shoot right back on up and hit all these candles here and maybe even a possible retest of 2085. Okay, so when we look here on your monthly chart here, you see where you had the 2089 and then we had a 2078. And then we had trying to get a retest here of 2085, but we just can't seem to break above this. Now, close above 2089, well, the first target obviously is going to be 2100, and then you can work your way all the way up to 2200, okay? But it needs to close above that. So right now, what we have here is basically sideways action, but you've got a really nice double bottom here to work off of. And you got a really nice good support here and a nice good resistance level. So you can trade this very easily. And if it closes above this 8 SMA, then you have a lot of room to run up. Now, how I trade gold is with the ETF GLD. Very easy, in, out, make your money, and be on your way. All right, now let's take a look here now at silver. Okay, silver, pretty much the same thing. Okay, you had a nice, really, really nice run up, sideways action. Went there, topped out, made a lower high, and then boom, down she went. Now, but if you look at this, so you see how this 50 SMA here is holding at 2407. Now, this candle here, yes, went below on Friday, but it closed back above. Now, today we have an inside day, okay, which means the price is between the previous day's candle, but it's a nice green candle. So if it can work its way on up, then we have a lot of really nice targets up here, okay? So the first big target here would be this 25.30 area, okay? So that'd be basically your 21 and your 8-day. See how that rolled over? That would be a really nice target for this to go. And then the second target would be this 8 SMA at 24.95. Now, if we look at the monthly chart here, if it can get above this, then you got here a nice target here of 27.49, okay? And then we look to these candles here. You have a nice target there of 28.90, and then you have a nice retest of 30.35. Now, if it can close above 30.35, well, then you're headed for the 35 to 40 area. But then again, you'd have some major problems if you're going to have a rally in these commodities like this. So when you're trading commodities, always watch the dollar, because as the dollar comes down, commodities go up and vice versa. Okay, so on the downside here, again, just watch this key 50 SMA here. If that's lost, then you got to look here down to this 100 SMA here. Okay, sitting there, which lines up really nice here with this 21-day. And then if that's lost here, you have a 200-day sitting at 2207 and then 2188. That would be the downside targets if all of these support areas are lost. All right, thanks for watching.